Aming bagahe. Nandito na kami sa Germany. Ang ganda. This is more nice than the other one we stay last time. Oh, there's a pool. Ayan o.
Yeah, the weather's nice.
Swimming pool.
And we have lunch.
And the good thing is, binigyan nila kami ng maagang check-in. It's only 11 o'clock here.
Imagine, no, it should be 11:30 by now.
11:30. And we have bathroom, my bathtub.
Which
Nice.
suitcase do you need to open later?
I love this hotel. It's nice. You can swim tanga later. Oh, you know. Ang ganda ng weather.
What? Am I allowed to swim later?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
Dito kami sa swimming ng hotel. They have indoor and they have outdoor swimming. So ako hindi ako magsuswimming yung mag-ama lang. Oh, there is salbabida. I'm not allowed to jump.
The next day.
So, nagra-wrap na kami. Siyempre, yan, every time na kami mag-travel.
Nakita kong Pilipino, guys.
For safety, para hindi malagyan ng tarimbala. At saka para hindi
Filipino
rin,
alert, haha, guys.
para hindi din sumabog yung bagahe. Lagi kami nagpaparap ng ganyan. Kada travel namin. For safety. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh, hi, guys.
Nandito kami nasa airport sa Germany. Düsseldorf.
So,
Ayun.
ay, yun yung airplane ng Air Race, oh.
Yan yung suspend natin, anak. So, pauwi kami ng Pilipinas. Kasi summer holiday si Alec. Happy ka, syempre, diba? Happy, pero at the same time, si Mami, medyo sad.
Bakit naman?
And syempre, kasi nga, before, pag umuwi tayo, kumpleto ang family. Ngayon, kulang na kami ng isa.
Oo, that's true.
So, umuwi ako nung last May when my mom passed away. No, buhay pa siya noon. Tapos, ba yan? Ayun na nga. So, dapat ang uwi talaga namin is December. Kung kami magki-Christmas and New Year. Pero, pinirebook namin ng July kasi summer holiday din si Alec. Kasi nga, at that time, yung mama ko is medyo mahina na. Well, unexpected. Yung bigla na lang, alam mo yun, na maalam na siya na maaga. Anyway, but happy kami kasi makikita namin yung si papa ko, tapos yung mga kapatid ko, and then yung dalawang pamangkin ko. Then pupuntahan namin si mama. Yun. Ano pa ba? Ayan, so ito yung travel namin itong summer. Happy naman, medyo sad lang ng konti. And excited ako kasi makikita ko yung best friend ko kasi uwi din siya sa Pilipinas.
Ako din, yung best friend ko.
Sino best friend mo?
Si Ate Julia.
Ako pala. So, yan. So, magkikita kami. And then, yun, medyo matagal kami sa Pilipinas. And excited na rin ako na makasama ang aming family. And sila papa, si kuya ko, yung puso namin. And eto na naman, mahaba na naman ang flight namin. Kasi from Düsseldorf to Dubai, we'll have like 7 hours flight. And then Dubai to Clark is like 11 to 12 hours kasi may stopover sa Cebu ng 1 hour. Pero hindi na bababa ng plane. Alec.
Oh.
Boarding na kami. Nandito na kami sa plane. Excited si Alec kasi parang 2 years. 2 years ba, Han? Oh no, only 1 year. We did not fly.
Yeah, 1 year.
Oh, 1 year, yeah.
2 years, 1.5.
1 year and a half hindi siya nakaply. Me, I just flew last May, so I did. Pero si Alec, excited siya kasi isang taon at kalahati rin siyang hindi nakapag-travel by plane. So, ayan o, nag-check. So, of course, flying Emirates. Emirates fly better. So, we'll see Dubai later. We'll see Dubai later. Say, Alex, bye-bye.